G'day guys, Ninja, Darcy on the
Hey guys.
here. Like, subscribe, share. We'll say that right off the bat.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you for your support. Patreon too, calendar, buy one of them. They're awesome.
Yeah.
But today we're going to show you a bit of a money spot treatment. So 3 areas within 15 minutes. So we just had our money spot weekends for the people that do our online course. They can come and do a whole weekend immersion with us, and we have the clock going like this. We'll get them to do 3 different spots in 15 minutes. So
it's fresh on your mind.
Yeah.
You've just done it.
Yeah, and it shows you that you can do multiple things, points of pain for people in one session, whereas a lot of times you'll go to people and say, no, we can just do one thing. But we have proven that you can be really effective in a really short amount of time if you go in the right place with the right manner and all that kind of stuff.
Yep.
So Darcy's got a few little niggles.
Yep.
So we're going to start with his left groin.
15 minutes on the clock, 5 minutes each spot.
So yeah, so we did one of the spots we did on the weekend was actually in here, the groin. So yeah, we just showed everyone how to negotiate that, and they got direct experience. So by treating Aaron and myself, and also being treated by Aaron and myself. So yeah, that's how you can really translate that knowledge across, because you can give them tips. You can say, okay, just move down there like that a little. See how we made Darcy cop it? So we can do little things like that. So we can just explain, and you can feel all the nuances of this work, and it is an art. So to be able to go deep, it's it's important that you have go in the right manner. So you've got to know where to explore, but also how to explore. That's really important, because we don't want to, hurt people, damage them, traumatize them by not observing boundaries. So we've got to respect the person where they're at, and everyone's at a different spot on a different day. So yeah, when you honour that, then you can really help people to heal, because that's what it's all about. We want to bring things into balance, get things to flow again, get things to regulate, so they're not kind of always in spasm and protecting, things like that. So yeah, it's really important. How we going, Darcy? How's that feel?
Good, man. I'm just
pushing right into that.
Closing my eyes and trying to accept the force, because it's a pretty protected, guarded area. You don't often get elbows stuck into this area. So we do. Yeah. We do it all the time.
We're trying to normalise this.
Yeah.
Like you might think we're having fun, doing fun and games, but this is a really important spot in nearly every human on the planet's body. They could use this kind of work. So we want to normalise this. So we don't want people to just think that we're, mucking around. This is actually serious kind of work. But we're trying to, just be ourselves, be authentic, have fun, have a laugh every now and then. But this is really serious work. I just want to say that, because people think we're not professional or whatever, but this is totally, we're just being ourselves, and this is how we've actually helped thousands of people, and we want thousands more people to be able to have the effects of this work, or experience the effects of this work, and have a better life, because they're not held back by stuff on here, and it can relate to lower back pain and different things as well, and you can really get better performance. Definitely. From getting this kind of work done. So I reckon we're pretty much done on that spot.
Yeah, man.
So
Sweet.
I'll move on. I might get... So he's got another spot in here. You want to show me exactly where that is, man?
It's probably right there.
So I can just do a thumb for a start and just get a bit of a feel for it. Yeah. And I'll feel for where that start, I might go up here, just the start of that tendon is there. And then just, work it. So if I go up a little bit.
Yeah, you're right on something there.
Yeah, so I just want to went up a little bit from that spot, just to try and find where the tendon is. So it might originate up a little bit more, and then I can kind of do a little scoop down like that, scoop down towards where the real pain point was that Darcy was kind of sensing in himself.
Oh yeah, you're getting on it there more.
So I'm sort of going to do that again. So go up into that tendon, and then do a little scoop down into it. And each time I do that pass, it should get less and less intense.
Yep.
So it should feel better because we're starting to move the stagnant kind of tissue in there. That's a good word. And starting to mobilise things, get it flowing, get it going, and and then the body can deal with it because it has been a stalemate. You know, a lot of times for people, there's stuff that's stuck in there, so we can't have that turnover of cells. You know, dead cells, damaged cells are in there, trapped and can't get out. So, yeah, we need to kind of dig a trench in a way, you know, so that things can flow and get out. And then new fresh blood and all that kind of stuff that's in there can start to come in and heal that site. And you can move better as well. So that's one of the things that actually helps to heal things is movement. So our body needs, you know, it doesn't need, if you don't move, it doesn't need to be strong. We kind of need that stimulation, that stimulus to promote bone health and tendon health and ligament health and muscle health, fascial health, heart, you know, everything, heart and lungs, they all need to be worked in order to have a reason to get better. So that's how we build up our fitness and our resilience and our, you know, strength, all that kind of stuff. So
use it or lose it.
That's it.
It's like lubricating the body every time we exercise or move. This is definitely doing that as well.
Yeah, I'm just going to do a little spot in here.
Oh, that's great. So Ninj, tell us what is a money spot?
Well, it's just an area of the body that we've identified just through years of experience and just sort of pursuit, like looking at the different sites in the body where things generally accumulate, where they've been stressed and they're loaded and they get trauma, tension, stress, you know, and pain is generally in these sites. So
definitely.
So we just identified the areas to explore. So they're not, you know, you can't just say that everybody's got it, you know, but it is a likely spot, and we want to find the exact spot within that area, that site that needs to be cleared, and then it's like deck of cards. Like when you take one thing out, can unravel so many other things that are ripple-on effects.
Yeah.
So.
And it's holding a spot, isn't it? There's no, you know, movement, wax, coconut oil.
Yeah. So it's like that, but we kind of do little things that'll scoop it. So just me changing, you see the angle of my arm bone there, the humerus. Is that humerus? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. The funny bone.
Funny bone.
You can go like that, and that will affect like a scooping kind of motion because we're getting a different angle on that same spot.
Oh, yeah.
Like that.
It's awesome. It feels amazing, man. Really, really good.
And you can feel things kind of going down like the side to your little toe, down that whole line as well when you're on a good TFL spot type thing. Just a little bit more.
Yeah.
Got to wait for that intensity just to drop that little bit more, I reckon, and then I'll move on.
It started at an 8, it's down to a 7, almost a 6.
Yeah. So we want to get that to shift down below 5 perhaps, or 4, and then we know that area's not locked up anymore, it's not in spasm, whatever it might be, and you know that your body can go, thank you, I can take this opportunity to get some fresh blood in, heal it up, I can move it better, things like that. How are we going, Darcy? Where are we at now?
Good, man.
Still up there?
No,
Needs a bit longer?
it's a 5.
Yeah.
It's almost a 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, in just that time it became a 4.
Yeah. And you can see that I haven't let any pressure off. A lot of times, in fact, you're driving more into it. But yeah, the tissue does melt when you do it in the right manner.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to come out. And he's got, how are we going for time?
We've got 6 minutes 30, so almost 5 minutes each spot.
He wants a little bit of Achilles work done.
Yep.
So just spin over.
It's an old injury, an ankle injury, and because of my ankle being...
Which one, man?
The left.
Left? And the Achilles?
Yeah, left Achilles, soleus.
Ankle.
Yeah.
So I haven't got any wax.
Oh,
I'm
that's
just going
great.
to just go, explore. How's it on that side?
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah. Just there already, straight up.
Yeah. Money.
you know where the money spots are, you know where to start exploring. So I didn't, without even knowing or asking, I just went to a spot, and yeah, I was a bang
Successful.
On. How's that?
Yeah, perfect.
So just kind of hold that.
Oh, yeah.
Just changing angles. There's subtle little things that we do. Might even not even pick that up, but I can change an angle to go more into it. Like that, holding it.
It's very nice.
And I can just sort of shift. Like me just standing up, shifting like that, that actually changes the angle and the pressure, where things are going, so I can kind of dig it out of where it could be stuck in.
Oh, yeah.
In there, so I'm kind of going up along that Achilles that little bit.
Oh, that's good.
Still trying to rub this tattoo of Darcy's off, but I haven't.
No success.
No success so far, but I won't stop trying.
Do we comment? Are you a yay for the tattoo or a nay for the tattoo? Who likes them?
Darcy's tattoos?
Who doesn't? It's mixed.
Yeah, Darcy's going to get a tattoo on his face next. He's going to get no regrets on his throat, across his throat. No regrets, mate.
With an A, no regrets.
No regrets. No regrets.
Yeah.
No regrets.
Oh.
It's one of the funniest things I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, so bad.
No regrets written across here.
My cousin, he has a tattoo removal business. He's just opened up the last 12 months, and this woman had a big black star on her forehead.
Yeah.
And it was just like, wow. Oh, what were they thinking?
They probably weren't thinking that.
Nah, they weren't thinking. Oh, this is awesome, man.
So this is a bit more chronic. It's been here for ages. Yeah, let's fix it today, mate.
Yeah, that feels good.
Yeah.
What have we got? 3 minutes.
3 minutes to fix it.
Wait, 3 minutes 55. 4 minutes.
4 minutes to fix it.
4 minutes. Show you how you can be effective, and just not waste time. Clients do come in, and they want, there's a 45-minute session, and they want, can we do hammies, quads, calves, hips, TFLs? And you go, all right, let's get down to business. And these money spots, you need to know them. You need to hold them. You need to wait for the tissue to dissolve. If you're fluffing around and you haven't been and found a spot and you haven't been effective, that client's probably going to go somewhere else, find somewhere that can hit spots. But yeah, we're masters of knowing where these points lie in the body, hitting them, holding them, waiting for them to melt, clearing them, and enhancing that recovery stage and getting rid of that chronic pain in a short amount of time. Oh,
how's it feel there?
Oh, yeah.
It's going more to the inside.
Yeah, it's amazing. It feels bony, chronic. 2 minutes 40.
Go.
Oh, that's nice.
Like that. So we can try to get right down to where the tension is, where it's the Achilles is coming onto that bone. And then once I've melted a bit, then I can shift my position, and the angle of the engagement is changed. And I can kind of shift it up like that.
Oh. I was getting into trouble last night in bed last night. I'm lying there and trying to fall asleep, or Liv's trying to fall asleep, my partner, and I'm doing this with my ankles.
Yeah.
And she's going, stop moving your ankles. But yeah, just, when the soreness all kicks in bed. It's when you're lying there, you're still, and you're present, and you can identify where the sore spots are. So
yeah,
how good, the luxury of getting a treatment from Ninja.
Yeah.
Hopefully won't.
How are we going?
Yeah, minute 30, and it's feeling really good.
Yeah.
Oh.
So just these little mini scoops. And where have you had a little bit of a tight calf, or you had a bit of ankle, or what do you think would be 1 minute?
Yep.
Where should I go?
I reckon somewhere there.
About there?
Yeah.
So about there. Oh yeah, I can actually feel that.
Yeah.
There's like you can feel there must be a line of tension through there. So I'm just gonna hit there. feel I can get flush on it.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
So yeah, no electricity here in Ferntree Gully today, but
No.
we've still got power.
We're creating electricity in the treatment.
Yeah.
Electrical.
Yeah. And hopefully we're empowering you,
Yeah.
inspiring you, electrifying you.
Yep. Come and do one of our courses. There's Fix It Yourself if you just want to enhance your knowledge from home and learn how to treat your own body, or there's the practitioner course where you can learn to treat just like Ninja, from Ninja, firsthand.
Yeah.
Become qualified MMT certified practitioner. We'll put you on our directory. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah. On our website, and people can click wherever you are: Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan,
US.
Canada, US,
Yeah.
wherever it is.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's
How's it
done.
feel?
15
Right on.
minutes.
Right on the
Feel
knocker.
the blood flow.
So he's fixed. How about that?
15-minute treatments,
that.
3 money spots.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. Thanks for your support, guys. Done.